Okay, gentlemen, are you ready to fold?
Yes.
Remember, the corners meet each other, okay?
Okay. It's going to be.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go. You could go either way. Make sure the corners meet. Good job. Make sure the corners meet. Make sure the corners meet, and it's neat. Hold on, Elvis. Okay, yes, you've got to fix that, Elvis. Yes, Mariah, that's good so far. Elvis, so you have to flatten it. Pull up the other side, okay? Now, good. Now we've got to fold it in half. Let's go. Make sure the corners meet all the way. Let's go.
I did magic.
So pull the towel toward you so you could straighten it, Mariah. Okay? Now I need the corners to meet. Pull it over a little. Yes, that's much better. Okay? Okay. Good job. I know. Good job. Give them a hand. Okay, let's go. Ladies, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's fold it. Make sure the corners meet. Good. Ooh, beautiful. Now pull it closer to you. Okay. Then we want to fold that in half. Both sides, make sure the corners meet all the way. Good job. Good job. Woo! That was awesome. Give them a hand. Good job.